Okay guys, so we're gonna be quick right now. We're gonna talk about men in plastic surgery. Now you guys know I can do a long video about this, but we're just gonna hit on what are the top procedures that men choose when they're thinking about plastic surgery, and in particular facial plastic surgery. So men get the same type of procedures that women get, right? They might want anti-aging surgery, or maybe they want to alter their facial anatomy. So those are the two big categories, but specifically when we're looking at the numbers, the most common procedure that men undergo when they're thinking about facial plastic surgery is actually rhinoplasty. Yes, you hit the nail on the head. Rhinoplasty is where we're shaping the nose and we're making it look different. Now, what would a man want when they're thinking about a beautiful nose? Now, the structure of a nose for a man, right, the ideal, right? If you look at a plastic surgery book, it's a little bit more of an acute angle for the nasolabial angle. So what that means is instead of a more upturned or a rotated nose, the nose is a little bit more acute. Men's noses typically are a little bit bigger than female noses. They're a little bit straighter in the bridge. The angles are different, right? The other things that we're thinking about for the most common reasons why men seek rhinoplasty, you guessed it, it's a hump. Most men who have a hump want to get rid of it, and they're doing rhinoplasty to shave down either bone or cartilage to create a more harmonized and beautiful look for their face. The second most common procedure that men undergo for facial plastic surgery is eyelid surgery, blepharoplasty. Blepharoplasty remains one of the top procedures in both female and men, and because eyes are the window to the soul. By removing extra skin above the crease of the eye, you can look rejuvenated, you can look youthful, less tired, and so is the case for the under eyes. Let's be honest, we've all seen men with big bags under their eyes, and the only way that we can make that go away in a substantial form is to do a lower blepharoplasty. So it's always going to be something that is really going to be important for both men and women, but men choose lower blepharoplasty and upper blepharoplasty as their top two procedures. What else do we see with men in facial plastic surgery? Men get hair transplants. Hair transplants are great to restore that hairline. It gives us confidence. It makes us feel better in our skin. And let's be honest, people judge bald men either rightly or wrongly. And so it's something that more men are seeking. Every year, more and more men are getting hair transplants. Now, the other bread and butter surgeries, right? Those are the things that you guys see me do on my Instagram and my YouTube all the time. Facelifts, chin implants, cheek implants, neck liposuction, all are heavy hitters for men. And we're seeing more men choosing to do more of these facial rejuvenation procedures over time. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of a taste of what men are seeking in our current age. But the top two are rhinoplasty and eyelid surgery. Everything else, sugar on top. See you guys soon.